All right, so if you're bald like me, this is perfect. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. This thing, reattachments, you can add your own blades. Perfect for the skin. Has water resistance, so you could use this in your shower. Not submergible, all right? Type C charging station in the back. Made of nice solid metal, aluminum. Hold base, you could hold it however you want. I'm gonna show you a couple of ways you can do this. And we're gonna use it today. All right, when you're using it, it goes this way. You can hold on to it this way. You can hold on this way. You have the various different ways of holding it. You guys can see the hand fits perfect. You just smooth it out left and right. That's how you end up using it. Now, one important thing is that if you want to clean it up, this thing, you have to kind of attach to the bottom, and you could just rinse it out with water. Just put it under water and it will automatically rinse and clean itself out. But remember that the top one and the lower one, there's two different slants, all right? So when you're putting this back, so you don't break it, look at that. There's a little difference on there on the side profiles too. So just to be aware, this has the same thing, the same profiles, all right? So let's cut our hair. First step you want to do after you shave some of the hair, you want to make sure you wet the head first, all right? Wet the head, and then in the back too, so you don't get rash or burns, all right? Shaving cream, right in the water so it could get nice and warm because it's a little cold too. Got shaving cream everywhere. Places that you're gonna need to access your scalp. And then rinse the excessive. You're ready to trim it down. So what you want to do is you want to grab it from an angle if you want. All right, 1, 2, 3. There it goes. Now let's go shave it. Oh yeah. Look at that nice smooth shaving. That's pretty much it. We're all set. That was quick. So I'm gonna turn it off. So if you guys are looking for a great gift for your shaving, your bald head, or for yourself, this is perfect. Well, it came out not bad. Now, just to let you guys know, you got to make sure you put soap because you're gonna get burned. All right, if you don't do that, it's not gonna leave a little good. And see these bumps? It's because I didn't put enough liquid in there. So just make sure you do that on the first one, all right? The first pass when you're doing your head. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.